Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to our cooking show. Yet again, another weekly upload. And today we are going back to my childhood. Today we are making instant pudding pie, and we'll show you just how to make it. Coming up next on Love What You Eat. And on today's episode, we're going to do something a little different. Now, our channel is about authentic, classic, traditional, untraditional, ultra traditional. It's just basically things that we grew up loving to eat, things that were taught to us, and things that we've also invented.
Yeah.
So today is about something that we've invented, or my mother more so.
I did.
This is just something that she would make for us. Like when I see this pie, I think of my childhood. And while we were filming other videos, she pulled one out for me just to have a little treat. And I said, "Oh my God, this reminds me of my childhood so much." So much so that I had to send it in family chat, and everybody started to comment, my siblings, my sisters and brother. So today we're making pudding pie.
Pudding pie.
Instant pudding pie.
That's right. We're doing one vanilla topped with sliced peaches and a chocolate pudding pie topped with sliced pears.
And we'll show you really how easy it is to make. Honestly, just altering a little bit of the box directions of the instant pudding and altering a little bit of the box directions of the instant dream whip, which is whipped cream in a powder form that you basically rehydrate with adding milk.
Exactly.
So what you would need for this recipe will always be found in the video description, where you'll see the ingredients, the measurements, the directions, etc. But it's basically boxed pudding, powdered dream whip with some milk and toppings of choice with a little bit of vanilla extract.
Vanilla. And store-bought pie shell.
Yes.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, nobody's going to come and arrest you and put you in jail just because you bought some store-bought pie shells.
We've shown you how to make our own or your own, so we have already videos on that. But honestly, when you're in a pinch, and back then with my mother raising 4 children while my father would work 60+ hours a week, I mean, you're looking for those quick little desserts, fun things. So when we would come home from school, or just more or less in summertime, this was something she would serve us in summer as a nice, fun, refreshing kind of treat. This is something that was very easy for her to whip up, having 4 children, youngest and oldest being the maximum 8 years difference.
7.5.
That's 7.5. So there you go. We're going to take you in on a closer look just to show you how we make this pudding pie, which sets in the fridge. It's so nice and thick and with the perfect little thin crust. Honestly, I love it. I love it. I love it. So simple, so easy. And
that's it. Stop talking.
Yeah, stop talking. We will show you how to make it. Here we go. Alright guys, you saw us just alter a couple of boxed goods and turned it into a simple yet delicious pudding pie dish that we've topped with some sliced canned pears and peaches. You can choose what you want as toppings. This is how we used to do it growing up. We used to have this quite often, and this is, for my siblings and I, something that reminds us of our childhood, and that's why I wanted to put it out on the channel. As you can see, it sets honestly really nice, a nice thick pudding full of flavor, and then with the canned peaches makes this so delicious. We're going to take a bite, but we already know what this tastes like. This to me tastes like childhood, especially elementary school. I love it. It's so good. The light flaky crust, store-bought, totally fine, nothing wrong with it. Or go on our channel and you can see one of our pie dough recipes. We hope you guys give this a try. Super fun to make with the kids too. This is really easy. Few minutes and then in the fridge to set, and you're having it within the same day. So from our kitchen to yours, thanks as always for tuning in. Wish you a great day, and until next time, continue to love what you eat. Bye for now.
Ciao.